The important thing is to know how to take all things quietly. Nothing is too wonderful to be true if it be consistent with the laws of nature. The lecturer should give the audience full reason to believe that all his powers have been exerted for their pleasure and instruction. I shall be with Christ, and that is enough. The secret of my success. It is simple. It is found in applying oneself to one's work and thirsting only after what is pure and true. A natural law regulates everything and there are no exceptions, but if we succeed in finding this law, it will be a delightful reward. Electricity is often called wonderful, beautiful, but it is so only in common with the other forces of nature. Chemical truths are of a peculiar texture and are bound together in such mutual dependency that not one can be made the subject of experimental investigation without all becoming more or less modified. My love of the sciences seems to have been born with me, and by working in them, and attending the investigations they have given rise to, I, with my body, have thriven. And I trust have benefited many others besides. There's nothing in the world but what some man can make a little mystery of if he chooses to be mysterious.